So this is for CSC 578, homework 3. We're going to go ahead and walk through what we have going on for the Keras. We're using the TensorFlow. This part we got from class where we're splitting into 80% training, 20% validation. We're also using the one-hot vectors, which we're calling ytrainbin for the y's. Here we're just going to get the class names, explore the data a little bit. This is where we first test a photo. Here I'm just looking at the shape of the data. Here is our matrix plot of all of the different options. Seems to be classifying them as what they are. We're going to start building the model. This is the model I've chosen to use for the specific instance. Tweaking a little bit, I've been learning that the dropout is very helpful for overfitting. This time I'm trying to add another fully connected layer, which I haven't done yet. I went back to having this layer be 5,5 because I think it'll help minimize the loss. So we're going to start the training. I'm running for 40 epochs on the 40,000 samples. So I'm going to pause it while it goes through all 20 epochs. Perfect. So now it is all done. You can see we're at epoch 20, loss 0.85, validation loss 7.9. So not the best that we've even had so far, but it's okay. So let's run the evaluate on the test data. It's okay. I've seen better on the course contest, so I am trying to get there. See, we just have the plot of training loss and validation loss, just so we have a little idea. We're going to make the predictions and print them out just so we can know that they worked. And then this is where we print all of the predictions into a CSV file. Right now I have it printing out. Normally that's commented. Just so I could test things, but here is where we're saving using fwrite. And over here is our numbers 10 CSV file right here. And since that's the current one, can go ahead and open it up. So you have all of our rows, ID, and then cat 0 through 9, and 1 through, go all the way to the bottom, 10,000. So that's about it for the code. It's pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching.